Hello, I'm Kaya Bullets and I'm here to give advice to you. Before I begin, I would like you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Today's advice I give to you is that your television might not turn on immediately. This advice is mostly directed towards those who are impatient. If you have patience, you can choose to continue watching if you want. For those who aren't patient, if your TV isn't turning on immediately, most of the time you're just being impatient, or you pointed your remote at the wrong part of the TV. Yes, if you didn't know, there is a specific spot you're supposed to point the remote to. Usually this spot is near the bottom corner or the bottom of the TV. Your TV could also be old, so please give it the patience to turn on. After this delay, I hope you enjoy your time watching TV.